Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 21st, our word of the day is invective. I-N-V-E-C-T-I-V-E. Invective. Invective is a 9-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Invective is criticism that is very forceful, unkind, and often rude. In other words, harsh, abusive or insulting language, like "you dirty rotten scoundrel." I'm sure you can think of harsher and more obscene examples, but we won't get into them here. Similar words include denunciation, diatribe, epithet, tirade, accusation, berating, blame, castigation, censure, condemnation, obloquy. Examples of sentences using invective are: he had expected criticism but not the invective which greeted his proposal. The gesture angered him and he let out a stream of invective. They hurled curses and invective at the driver who cut them off in traffic. A woman had hurled racist invective at the family. Her wave of invective had crashed over him and still he sat there. The local government, despite all the invective directed at its leadership, seems to be functioning normally for the moment. Make sure to save this new word, invective, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.